Come test drive this 2014 Nissan Murano. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Nissan prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.